To be honest, I tried to rebuild the starter. There's a whole bunch of junk in there, like dirt and dust I cleaned out. And I cleaned it and put it all back together, and it still does nothing. Ford 7610, gonna have to get a starter for it. Didn't really want to because they are expensive. Like, I think the cheapest one I found is 136. That's on eBay. And then I think if one from New Holland's like, I think $400-$500. So I don't know. Try to save it, but it's I mean, the starter's from 95, and imagine how many times this tractor started since 95. It was parked in 2011, but this tractor's going through starters. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because it's a diesel, but please hit that subscribe button, like, and I did make a video rebuilding starter some. It ain't that great, but it's definitely helpful in some parts. In some parts it ain't, so please go check that out. Hit that subscribe button.